Which word is incorrect in its sentence? A. The word adopt in sentence 1. B. The word founded in sentence 3. C. The word circumstances in sentence 6. Or D. The word acquisition in sentence 7. With a question like this one, where we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones among our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken, but are written differently and have different meanings. For example, for or whale. In this case, however, we don't see a homophone among our choices. The next best step in a case like this would be to look for something spelled incorrectly. Again, taking a quick look, we can see that all of our choices have been spelled correctly. As a final resort, we merely need to go through each choice, read the sentence, and, considering the definition of the given word, determine if it's being used properly. A. The word adopt in sentence 1. To get the best results, education must adopt to the needs of the learner, experts said. As adopt means to take on or make one's own, we can see that this isn't the correct usage here. Rather, the author most likely meant adapt, meaning to adjust or modify. This makes more sense in our context, as the text is telling us that to get the best results, we need to modify the pathway to learning according to the needs of the learner. This being the case, this is likely our answer, but we can take a look at the other choices just to be sure. B. The word founded in sentence 3. The Forum for African Women Educationalists is a Pan-African non-government organization founded in 1992 by 5 women ministers of education. As to found means to establish, and we can see this is what this sentence is discussing in relation to the Forum for African Women Educationalists, we can see that this is the correct usage and this can be marked as incorrect. C. The word circumstances in sentence 6. Speakers suggested that to fit in with the varied circumstances of African youth, scaled vocational and technical schools must be considered. Circumstances refers to conditions or details. We see this reflected in the text, as the previous sentence outlined different conditions that the African youth are raised in. Based on this, we can see this is an appropriate usage, and this choice can be marked as incorrect. And D. The word acquisition in sentence 7. Other flexible learning pathways, such as online programs and virtual certification processes, could allow candidates to demonstrate the acquisition of a skill set to higher learning institutes and employers. Acquisition means the act of coming into possession of something, or coming to own it. We can see that this is what this sentence is discussing, as it uses it in the context of acquiring a new skill, which is the goal of the forum. As we can see this is an appropriate usage, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark our original answer, choice A, as our final answer.